Now the whole attempt of this particular problem is to nullify the square roots, because if you look at the options are A1, B2, C3 and D4, which means ultimately final square root. Inside the final square root there has to be a perfect square number, that is understood, yes or no? What is this value is equal to? Let me say the value is equal to x. So x is equal to, I can write like this, 2 plus root 5 minus of whole root of 6 minus 3 root 5, like this, 3 root 5. Now if you can concentrate on this particular part, 14 minus 6 root 5 should be there. I will think of completing it in this form. So a minus b the whole square. So root 5 is there, no? Root 5 is there. So I can write this as 3 square plus root 5 the whole square. So what is this? 9 plus 5, 14 I am getting here, minus 2 into 3 into root 5. See, so I can complete this in the form now, 3 minus root 5 the whole square. I can complete this in the form 3 minus root 5 the whole square. Completion of square. Without completing the square root will not get cancelled. So I can say plus square root of 3 minus root 5 the whole square. So your answer here for x will be equal to whole root of 2 plus root 5 minus of whole root of 6 minus 3 root 5 plus 3 minus root 5, correct? Plus 3 minus of root 5. So your answer to the question x is equal to whole root of 2 plus root 5 minus of 6 plus 3 will be 9 minus of 4 root 5, 9 minus of 4 root 5. So here your answer will be x is equal to square root of, again we think of the same way, 2 root 5. So this part can be written as, now see here 4, here there is already a 2ab form, right? 2ab form is there. Why? A minus b the whole square can be written as a square plus b square minus 2ab, which means 2 is already a part of this. So it should be 2 into root 5. So I can write 2 square plus root 5 the whole square minus of 2 into root 5, which is nothing but 2 minus root 5 the whole square, right? So 2 plus root 5 minus of square root of 2 minus root 5 the whole square. So what will be your answer that we get now? So x is equal to whole root of 2 plus root 5 minus 2 plus root 5, correct? So what would be your answer that we get now? X is equal to, so 9 minus 4 root 5, this is nothing but 2 minus root 5. So a plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now this is a trick here. This is the trick. Is it okay? In the competitive exam, this is the trick. See, if you do like this, you are not getting an answer, right? You are getting an answer like this. Root of root 5 you are getting, which is not a part of the question. So what to do? You can also write this as, see, you can also write this as like this. No, x is equal to, you can also write it like this. To execute the trick, you can write like this, 2 plus root 5 minus of, you can also write this as root 5 minus 2 the whole square. Then also your answer is correct. Why? Because a minus b the whole square is also equal to, take out the minus sign common. If you take out the minus sign common, minus square becomes plus. That is also equal to b minus a the whole square, right? How? 2 square is also equal to 4. Minus 2 square is also equal to 4. Even if you take the minus sign out, answer will be the same. So your answer to the question here, this is with the square root. Now this is with the square root. So x is equal to square root of 2 plus root 5 minus of root 5 minus 2. So x is equal to, your answer to the question will be 2 plus root 5 minus of root 5 plus 2. So what is the answer that we get? X is equal to root over 4. So what is the answer that we get? X is equal to 2 is the answer to the question, which corresponds to the option number B. Do you follow?